Hiccup represents all those misfits and those oddballs and the outsiders. I think that's why he resonates with so much of the fandom, because he's a hero for all those people in that at the beginning of the movie he feels like he has to change. He has to become like what everyone wants him to be, his family and his society and his friends. And eventually he discovers that, you know, maybe this thing that is his weakness is actually a strength in disguise. And so the more he leans into that and kind of marches to the beat of his own drum, the more the world starts to change around him. And I think that's a hero for a lot of us.